So another way to attract clients is YouTube. Now, there's going to be some controversy on this one, so hear me out, okay? I honestly believe that YouTube is bigger than Facebook. Like, sure, Facebook might be bigger when it comes to, numbers and stuff, but YouTube has really in-depth content and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. There is so much content on there that you can learn so much stuff these days. You've just got to be creative and type it in. So create a YouTube channel and start gathering subscribers, and again, be patient, keep going. Like I got excited when I got 6 subscribers when I first started, and it's only been the last few years I'm like, oh wow, I'm starting to actually grow a little bit more. So just be really patient and keep on going, because you just don't know who's found your video or looked at the description or the content or anything along those lines. And different niches grow at different speeds as well. So for example, a funny cat video is going to grow a lot faster than a mentalism video where you're helping somebody with anxiety, depression. So it's all about that interest. So have a look around on how to I have a course on how to create professional videos for free, so just like these ones. So have a look around. When you're doing your YouTube videos, make sure you have 3 relevant hashtags inside the post and place them in the description area, not in the title area. So that way people that do use hashtags can click on them. Tell people to like the post, and ask people to subscribe and hit the bell, blah, blah, blah. Even though we're born into this world of technology, we still need to remind people that, hey, if you want to keep following me, you need to subscribe, because you'll get notifications, you'll get extra content, etc., etc. Have links to your web pages in the description as well. So have it all in there. Share it on Twitter. Google Plus isn't available anymore, but you can share it on Google My Business, etc. Take your YouTube link and then place it on your Facebook page and ask people to share it. And you can also take this link and put it inside of your blogs on your web page as well. So that's really great for SEO, because people can actually see you, they can relate to you, listen to your voice. They know that you're actually doing it. Like, you're not just kind of just fluffing around saying, oh, I'm doing it, but you're not really, okay? YouTube is a wonderful format for advertising without advertising, and people will become aware of your brand and they will happily engage in more content if it is relevant and it is entertaining to them. So if it's not entertaining or it's boring or something like that, they won't connect with you. I've had those YouTube channels where I'm like, wow, this content is really great, but the way the person explains it is boring as, so that's kind of, pushed me to go to a different channel as such. So my advice, before getting excited and making all these videos and blah, 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 just because you like them doesn't mean anybody else will like them. First, you need to make a plan, okay? Make a plan. How often you're going to release a video? What will the videos be about? When will they be posted? I watch a lot of gaming videos, and there are a lot of people that actually watch, they only release a video once a month, but it's a really good in-depth video, goes for like 20 minutes with great graphics and things. Also, when you're doing your videos, have at least a month's worth of content created before starting, so that way you can kind of keep it rolling over, because if somebody is really interested in what you do, they're going to want to know more. So keep on creating, keep on posting. Don't get stuck on the likes and the subscribes and things like that. Oh, I've only got 10 subscribers. That's completely fine. Okay, because you've got 10 people that are interested in your content, and those 10 people may actually tell another person as well. So just keep on going. But otherwise from that, go and create some YouTube videos, and remember, it's going to be terrible at the start, but that's the best that you could do. So really, it's the best. And just keep on going. I watch some of my old stuff these days and I'm like, oh God, ugh, okay, fair enough. And it's just the way it goes. That's called the evolutionary process. So go create some YouTube videos. Bye-bye.